In this video, I will show you how to use Perplexity AI to generate and export a 30-day content calendar for your YouTube channel. I start by clicking into the search bar on the Perplexity homepage to enter my request. I'm typing out a detailed prompt asking for a 30-day upload schedule for a tech channel, making sure to specify that I need the final output in an Excel-compatible format. Once I hit the Submit button, the AI begins researching best practices for YouTube scheduling and proper data formatting. In just a few moments, the results appear in a clear, organized table directly on the screen. This schedule provides a comprehensive mix of content, including quick Windows tips, macOS tutorials, and specific troubleshooting guides for iPhone and Chrome. The AI has thoughtfully categorized each entry by date, content type, and priority level to ensure a consistent and professional posting flow. As I scroll down the page, I can see how it has structured the plan to include a variety of formats like shorts, tutorials, and tool demos to keep the audience engaged. I'm now reviewing the detailed schedule structure and the suggested follow-up ideas provided by the tool. It's a fantastic way to streamline the planning process and focus more energy on the actual creation of the videos. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.